think tank of BJP backed by RSS, which is in a jubilant mood over party's poll prospects beyond expectations, is set as their veteran of many battles to don the role of Speaker in Lok Sabha. If one has to believe news reports, the seasoned leader has accepted the responsibility. Yet, many ponder, should the high-profile Advani accept such responsibility as his health may not permit him to handle the acrimonious situations in the Lok Sabha? How can the people of this country, especially his well-wishers who dreamt to see him as the strongest ever Prime Minister? Is it not a fact that Advani, one of the tallest surviving leaders amongst BJP ranks, may be compared with his contemporary Atal Bihari Vajpayee, holds such office which more frequently come under fire from the opposition? Neither his age permits, nor his statesmanship stature to handle those who from the opposition are bent upon to embarrass more than quite often. In that backdrop, many feel Advani deserves much bigger role in the scheme of things of NDA. He may be most eligible and fittest, besides most respected surviving leaders, who can guide the new cabinet headed by the relatively young and equally popular leader like Narendra Modi, with his experience on hand on most critical issues like the internal security or external affairs in maintaining harmonious relations with the neighbors as well international community, besides effective pro-poor Indian population's aspirations. What worries many most is if Advani occupies the Speaker's post, the NDA will be denied of all this support from the veteran. Should that happen in case if NDA indeed comes to power?
चुनाव में आखिरकार हिंदुस्तान जीतना चाहिए। चुनाव में आखिरकार लोकतंत्र जीतना चाहिए। चुनाव में आखिरकार हिंदुस्तान का नागरिक जीतना चाहिए। चुनाव में आखिरकार हिंदुस्तान का मतदाता जीतना चाहिए।